So, this will make some delicious sausage dressing. You start by taking some maple sausage, and you can use some hot sausage or some sage sausage. I have all three, as you can see, and you brown them. So see, as you are browning your sausage, and see, I did about 3 rolls of sausage approximately, just because I am making about a 22-pound turkey, so I need enough dressing for that. So now you have your sausage, and if you can see, it's chopped up really fine, because you don't want it to be a big meatball that pops up in your dressing, in your sausage dressing. You want really fine, small pieces. The only thing you really want from this is the flavor. You don't want the look of sausage or anything, because I don't know, it can kind of throw you off possibly when you're eating dressing and you see a big meatball in there. So you have to chop it really good, okay? And I got that cooking pretty low so I can really watch it and make sure it doesn't get overly brown. Now over here, this is homemade cornbread. This cornbread was made probably 3 days ago, and it was left uncovered so that it can get stale, slightly stale. But you want it to be stale because it makes the best dressing. And then we're going to move over further. And if you can see, we have probably more than half of a stalk of celery. We have 3 medium-sized bell peppers, 3 probably small onions, and the bell peppers, if they're large bell peppers, they can be substituted using only 2. And if you have large onions, then you can use just about 2 instead of using 3 of each. Okay? So, the next step is to get all this chopped up. And for me, that's not the fun part. So, I'm going to enlist the help of my husband. So, in the meantime, I am taking a box of classic dressing. This is not cornmeal or cornbread based, excuse me, because I want a bread mixture with my cornbread mixture to make for a really good texture. And then, if you could see over here, I have a measuring cup. I have approximately 2 cups of water in there, and I have about 8 bouillon cubes. Now, I take this and I melt it in this hot water, because I'll be using this to moisten my dressing, and we will get to that here soon. So stay with me as we continue to make the dressing. And we're going to go back over here and just glance at what we have. We have our homemade cornbread, excuse me, and our classic dressing, and another bowl because of the size